KLEIN Tools is proud to introduce the MM500 Auto Ranging Multimeter. With only 3 buttons, this easy-to-use multimeter is something every electrician will want in their bag. The MM500 is Cat4 600 volt and IP67 rated, making this unit both dust and waterproof. In addition, KLEIN engineers designed the MM500 to withstand drops from as high as 3 meters, ensuring this unit can handle the roughest of job site environments. The MM500 automatically detects AC and DC voltage, measures resistance up to 4,000 ohms, and is equipped with an audible and visual continuity function. Also included is KLEIN's Auto Hold feature, which allows users to capture measurements hands-free. The molded lead holders are perfectly spaced for easy measurement of standard and tamper-proof receptacles. The MM500 design provides easy access to the meter's 2 AAA batteries and incorporates captive screws in the battery door panel to prevent misplacement of the hardware. Visit KLEINTools.com to learn more about the MM500 Auto Ranging Multimeter and KLEIN's full line of test and measurement instruments.